Okay, so we're looking at lesson number 6. On the lesson number 6, we start looking at simplifying algebraic fractions, which is expressing as single fraction. When you're expressing as a single fraction, you are supposed to have the denominator, which is 1. You're supposed to have one denominator, a single denominator there. So now, when you're having one denominator, we're going to find a number. We're going to find a number where 4 and 3 can go into without leaving any remainder. We're going to find a number where 4 and 3 can go into without leaving any remainder. What number is that? 12. Okay, so we've got 12. Then we start dividing. 4 into 12. How many times can 4 go into 12? 3. So 3 is multiplying those two things on top. So it will be 3, open bracket, x plus 2, close, minus 3 into 12. 4. 4 is multiplying those two. So 4, open bracket, x minus 1. Then from there, then we're going to open up. 3 times x is what? 3x. Plus 3 times 2 is what? 6. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1, positive 4. Over what? 12. Then from there, we collect like terms. 3x, when this one comes this side is what? Minus. We are not going to change the sign because we are not going the other side of the equal sign. So minus 4x plus what? 6 plus what? 4. Over what? 12. Which will be 3x minus 4x. In short, what is 3 minus 4? Well, the sign of a bigger number, what is it? Negative. So negative 1. So in short, negative what? X. Plus what? 10. 6 plus 4. Over what? 12. Like that. That's the answer. No more adding. We can't add because these two are unlike terms. So we cannot add. Looking at the one which is here now. These are mostly exam questions that come there. Looking at those two. So now the first one was saying, we are doing the same thing that we did here. We're also doing it here. Now, since we're doing it here now, it means that we're going to look at what is common here. When you're looking at what is common there, okay. So we look for what is common here. Now here we do not have one term where x minus 2 and x plus 3 can go into. So the two of them, they are common. You just bring them down. So what is common is x minus 2 and also what? X plus 3. Now, we start dividing. The same way we are dividing 4 into 12. Even here, we are dividing this going into these two. Now, an example is this. X minus 2 and x plus 3. This is the term. Now this I'm dividing it into this. So over x minus 2. So when I divide this into this, I'm having something like this. If you can check, these are what? The same. So in short, it's more like this and this will divide each other. What do we remain with? We remain with what? X plus 3. So that means that x minus 2 into x minus 2 and x minus 2 and x plus 3. What are we remaining with? X plus 3. You get it? Okay. So the same, whatever that remains is we are multiplying by 3. So it will be 3 open bracket. What is remaining? If I divide x minus 2 into this 2, what is remaining is what? X plus 3. Very good. So it will be x plus 3. Close. Again, this will go into these 2. When this go into these 2, when we divide it, what happens? This and this is the same. What remains is what? X minus 2. So it will be minus 1 open bracket x minus 2. I don't know if we're okay there. Very good. Then from there we'll open up the what? The brackets match. So 3 times x is what? 3x. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Negative 1 times x. You always get the negative here also when you're multiplying. Do not just get 1. It means that the answer will be wrong. This is the 3 marks final exam. Negative 1 times x is what? Negative what? X. Then negative 1 times negative 2 is what? Positive 2. Over x minus 2 and what? X plus 3. We proceed. We correct what? Like terms. So we have 3x. What is there? minus x. What is there? Plus what? 9. Plus what? 2. Over x minus 2 and the x plus 3. Which will be, what is 3x minus x?
3x plus.
Very good. 2x. 2x. The same as the part, there is 1 there. Then plus, what is 9 plus 2? 11. Over x minus 2 and the x plus 3. You cannot go any further. You cannot add. You end there. 3 marks. Paper 2. No paper 2. No paper 2 comes minus that. Such type of question.
So you don't add the 2x?
No. Oh no, guys, this is x. There's x. Here there is no x there. So they are like terms. So since they are like terms, you leave them the way they are. Looking at the last one, we're doing the same thing that I did there. You look for what is where common. So what is common there is what? This 2x plus 1 and also what? X minus 1. Okay? Then we subdivide this into these two. If this divides into these two, this and this is the same. What remains is what? X minus 1. We multiply 2, so 2 open x minus 1. Minus what? 3. Again, x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. This and this is what? The same. This remains, which is open bracket 2x plus 1. Which now will be 2 times the x is what? 2x. 2 times negative 1 is what? Negative what? 2. Okay? Then negative 3 times the 2x is what? Negative 6 what? X. The same negative 3 times positive 1 is what? Negative 3. Over 2x plus 1 and also what? X minus 1. We're good? Eh? Where? Here? Here? No, we're not going to put the bracket. We're opening up the bracket side. After I multiply this time this 2x, this time this, which could be my bracket. The same way I did here. After I multiply this time this time this, I've opened up the bracket. Then from there now we correct the what? The like term. Which is 2x. What is there? Minus what? 6x. What is there? Minus 2. Minus what? 3. Over 2x plus 1 and also what? X minus 1. What is 2x minus 6x?
4.
Is it 4 or negative 4? Negative what? 4. 4 what? X. Negative 2 minus 3. We're adding. We add. Same sign means add and maintain the sign. Negative 6 or 5? 5. 2 plus 3. 5. Munaibala. Ani. Munaibala wenanita. Oh, atanita. Ani kazi ne kwa choka. X plus 1 and then also what? X minus 1. This is the answer. It cannot go any further than that.